finishes off in style. A magnificent strike into the ground. India lift the World Cup after 28 years. The party started in the dressing room, and it's an Indian captain who's been absolutely magnificent in the night of the final. Finishes off in style. A magnificent strike into the ground. India lift the World Cup after 28 years. The party started in the dressing room, and it's an Indian captain who's been absolutely magnificent in the night of the.
Hello, welcome back. Thanks for your support, and please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Now, in the World Cup, India has played two matches, one against Australia and second one against Afghanistan. Both the matches India won very comfortably. And India is at third position now in the group stage. And this is the team for the next match, the big match that is against Pakistan. This is how the team look like. And let me take you through the memories. That's India versus Pakistan in 2019 World Cup, 2015 and 2011. Please do watch the highlights and enjoy the match.
Pull shot. That's nice. Enough wood on it to get him a four. Oh, that's gone. Up and 6.
College for 2, they'll chance a run out, wrong hand altogether.
This is just poor bowling. That's 50. And without taking any undue risks.
And it brings up the 50 for KL Rahul. What a good knock it is. India on a roll. And that's the first wicket.
And he gets a single. Punch the gloves. Mid-pitch. Once again. Oh, he didn't see that fielder. I don't think so.
You won't have to run there, though. Have a look at that.
It's taken one. They might come back for the second. That's the 50th run. 92nd 50-plus score. Helicopter. Has he got the distance? I don't think so. Well taken. Oh, he's gone. Cut behind. Something working for Pakistan. Oh, he's been out. What about the ultra? It shows nothing. No deviation. One bounce over the rope. 336 for the loss of 5. India putting up.
Oh, close, very close, surely, yes.
And with that one, he's gone to 50. Fakhar Zaman, something about India that gets the best out of him. Bowling! Kuldeep Yadav does it with a beauty. Oh, that's gone up in the air. Another one bites the dust. It's all over for Fakhar. Top edge, accepted by Chahal. Gone. Oh, bowling!
And India are bowling Pakistan out of the game.
Bowl.
The latest rain shower has passed through. Pakistan fans, you need 136 more runs to win in just 5 overs. And that is that. India win by 89 runs in the Duckworth-Lewis-Stern method.
Step 1. Wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Yo, Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they ride. Head full of...
Oh, it starts out with a real... Oh, that's hit him hard. That's gone up in the air. They've appealed for a catch. Yunus Khan, is he walking? Oh, and he's taken it. What a catch. What a catch that.
It's an outstanding catch there.
Oh, he's got him on second attempt. That's a wonderful take. Possibly a match-turning event.
Outside.
And taker. Umesh Yadav has picked up. They've gone for the appeal.
He's got to get the benefit of the doubt.
Oh, given out. Finger is raised. In the air and... Oh, ouch. Good catch. Out it. Caught behind by MS Dhoni. Yeah. It'll give him a couple of runs at least, if not a boundary. And more importantly, he reaches a 50. Oh, strike two, another wicket. Oh, that's going to be out. Right, if that's in the air, there's a fielder coming underneath it. This might be it. And it is Umesh Yadav.
उमर गुल की गेंद, वीरेंद्र सहवाग का चौका, एक बार फिर चौके से की है शुरुआत। इस बार तो पांव हल्ला, एक ओवर में चौकों की झड़ी से लगा दी है, तिरंगा लहरा दिया। रजाक की ये गेंद और कॉपी बुक, चाबुक, सचिन रमेश तेंदुलकर। वहाब रियाज की ये गेंद अंदर की तरफ आई है, तेजी से आई है और विकेट देकर गई है। सईद अजमल, सामने लगी है गेंद, बिल्कुल सामने लगी है गेंद। जबरदस्त ये गेंद थी, टर्न मोहम्मद, विकेट के बहुत पास से बाहरी किनारा, ये पकड़ लिया लोकल बॉय, होम बॉय, इस बार पकड़ लिया, आफरीदी ने पकड़ लिया कैच। इनकी गेंद पे किसी ने पकड़ा नहीं, लेकिन अंत सईद अजमल की ये गेंद, दूसरा और विकेट चटकाया। नहीं, ये लगा है बाहरी किनारा, बिल्कुल लगा है। वहाब रियाज, ये शॉट बेहतरीन है, ये शॉट दूर की ये गेंद थी, हवा में शॉट था। युवराज सिंह, पॉइंट जहीर खान को मिली पहली। ये क्या शॉट मारा है, ये कुछ अलग मारने गए थे। मुनाफ पटेल, युवराज सिंह, कमाल का ये गेंदबाज, हवा में और पकड़ लिया कैच। सुरेश जनाब, ये आउट है, बिल्कुल आउट है। सामने जाकर लगी है गेंद, ये स्टंप पर। उमर अकबर, एक और सफलता, इस बार गेंद थोड़ी सी नीचे रही हुई है। फुल टॉस गेंद, लेकिन गेंद गई है सिर्फ ऊपर और नीचे है वीरेंद्र सहवाग। नहीं, इस बार संपर्क उतना बेहतरीन है नहीं, नीचे खड़े हैं सचिन तेंदुलकर। सफलता यहाँ, फुल टॉस लगी है, यानी कि 3 स्टंप्स के सामने लगी है। आशीष, ये शॉट गया तो अच्छा है, ऊंचा भी काफी है, लेकिन नीचे है विराट कोहली और सेमीफाइनल मुकाबले को जीत